Yo, haha, never said.
What is good, YouTube? Your boy Mill Never Said is back with another quick video, and today I got the Ancestry DNA giveaway for November. So if you entered, you watched this video, which was, I think, the Yeezy Supply video, which I was talking about some errors and some things that was going on. You entered, you should see your name in the background. That would be Michael Ray, Joe Green, and Distinguished Kicks. You guys were kind of smart and like, well, you know what I'm saying, a little keen in watching that video. So you kind of knew what it required, at least, to enter this Ancestry DNA giveaway. Don't get discouraged if you guys did not enter this contest. For those that, you don't see your name in the background, because I will be doing another giveaway the week before Christmas, which is not too far away. December 10th, if I'm not mistaken. And then, we'll bring in a new year and we'll find out who the winner of the Ancestry DNA Traits Kit. That should be exciting. So with that said and done, let's jump to the spinning wheel and find out who will be the winner. I'm going to hit the spin. And here we go, round and round and round. And the winner is going to be, looks like, Michael Ray, man. Congratulations. You are the winner of the Ancestry DNA Kit. All you got to do is reach out to me on, YouTube, via Instagram, all my social platforms on my YouTube channel. So reach out to me as fast as possible so I can get this kit out to you fast as possible. And also, good luck to everybody with the Air Jordan 11 Cool Grays that should be slated for release tomorrow. I feel like that should be an easy cop for a lot of people if you're kind of on your P's and Q's. Multiple ways of getting the Air Jordan 11 Cool Grays, multiple restocks. You know what it is. It's also a chance for you guys to get the MX Sand Grays, if I'm not mistaken, and also the Ultras. I don't make these names up. I'm just reading off right here. MX Sand Gray, and it looks like we got the Ultras, the Foam Runners, which I think is a hot shoe. I know a lot of people don't like it. I still think it's a hot shoe. But again, once again, congratulations to Michael Ray. You are the winner of the Ancestry DNA Kit. It's time for you to learn your lineage. And for those, again, that did not contribute or participate in this event, there will be multiple events held next year. Got some surprises in 2022. So stick around. Your boy Magnificent. I am out. And you guys, stay blessed.